All right. Well, welcome to our first break of the new year. We got 10 score fat packs, so you get a lot of cards. Hopefully pull some good stuff, just few things. Whatever jersey a guy's in, he goes to that team. So say, like on this package, Tom Brady's in a Patriots uniform, so he would go with the Patriots.
Well, unless the card had like a Panthers sign.
Yeah, unless the card says Buccaneers or something. So 10 packs. Here we go. Kind of sad. Football season's winding down, even though the playoffs are exciting. All right. So hopefully we get some good stuff. Eric Ebron, Colts. Mark Andrews, Ravens. McKinney, Texans. Darnold, Jets. Connor, Steelers. Howard, Dolphins. Might be the best corner in the league. Henry, Chargers. Fuller, Bears. Williams, Raiders. Trubisky, Bears. Joyner, Raiders. Kerrigan, Redskins. Davis, Titans. Hunter, Vikings. Winston, Buccaneers. Alexander, Packers. Bridgewater, Saints. Slay Jr., Lions. Murray, Saints. Here's some red parallels. Hayward, Chargers. Sanders, Eagles. Steven Montez, rookie. We'll make sure he gets to the right team. Patriots team card. In the zone, Cooper Kupp, Rams. Huddle up, Chiefs. Dak Prescott, next level. Game face, Gardner Minshew. In the zone, Drew Brees. Game face, Christian McCaffrey. Aaron Rodgers, next level. True story this year. Deep dive, Marvin Jones Jr. Mika Fitzpatrick, next level. Bills team card. Nick Chubb, red parallel in the zone. Joshua Kelly, rookie. Rico Dwaddle, rookie. Joe Burrow, rookie. Here we go. Nice pull. Gross Matos, rookie. Patman, rookie. And Warner, rookie. 49ers. So, best pull so far, Joe Burrow. Hopefully we see some more of those.
Myles Garrett, Preston Williams, DeAndre Hopkins, D. Westbrook, Earl Thomas, Jordan Atkins, Marcus Mariota, Khalil Mack, Drew Lock, Allen Robinson, Noah Fant, Zay Jones, Devontae Adams, Marshawn Lattimore, Shaquille Griffin, Eric Reed, Russell Wilson, Desmond Trufant, Richard Sherman, and our red parallels, Kyle Van Noy, Jacoby Brissett, and Joe Burrow.
Joe Burrow, red.
Very nice. Josh Jacobs, Will Fuller, Lamar Jackson, Darren Waller, the Packers team card.
Bosa.
Nick Bosa in the zone. Ravens team card. In the zone, Mike Evans. Josh Allen, deep dive. Lamar Jackson, next level stats. Game face, Kyler Murray. Christian McCaffrey, red parallel, next level stats. That's cool. Van Jefferson, rookie. Jared Pinky, I haven't even heard of him. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Jake Luton. J.K. Dobbins, nice. And Keyshawn Vaughn.
Alright, so far Bengals are hitting. Hopefully we hit some more of these big name quarterbacks and big name rookies. Alright, Geno Atkins, John Brown, Vance McDonald, Tanker Slade, Justin Reed, Chris Herndon IV, Darius Leonard, Fletcher Cox, Derrick Henry, Ashlon Jeffrey, Roquan Smith, Mike Williams, Trey Burton, Jalen Ramsey, Kyle Allen, Patrick Peterson, Austin Hooper, William Golston, Kyle Rudolph, Nick Bosa, red parallel, Stephon Diggs, red parallel, Javon Kinlaw, rookie, red. Titans 3D, Will Fuller in the zone, Lamar Jackson deep dive, AJ Brown next level, Joe Mixon game face, Joey Bosa in the zone, Khalil Mack in the zone, Huddle Up Packers, Bobby Wagner next level, Garoppolo game face, Lamar in the zone. Deshaun Watson, deep dive red. Tyler Huntley, rookie. Terrell Lewis, rookie. Juwan Johnson, rookie. Thaddeus Moss, rookie. Tyler Johnson, rookie. And CeeDee Lamb. There we go.
Seeing it's hard to see the cards, so I'm going to stand over here. The quality of this thing's not good. Why are you... Pack's going open.
Weird seeing these guys in the college unis after opening all that stuff.
Leonard Fournette, Baker Mayfield, Shaq Lawson, Deontay Johnson, Christian Wilkins, Duke Johnson, DeAndre Baker, AJ Boye, Sterling Shepard, Riley Ridley, Damian Williams, Adrian Peterson, Harrison Butker, Christian McCaffrey, Todd Gurley, Matt Ryan, Kenyon Drake, Irv Smith Jr., Devin White. Let's see, our red parallel is Kelvin Harmon, Chris Harris Jr., and Grant Delpit. Game face Mike Evans, in the zone Tom Brady, Panthers team card, in the zone Christian McCaffrey, deep dive Patrick Mahomes, Harrison Smith next level stats, in the zone Josh Allen, game face Christian McCaffrey, next level stats Aaron Rodgers, deep dive Marvin Jones Jr., next level stats Minka Fitzpatrick, Ravens team card, red parallel, rookies are Nate Stanley, Ross Blacklock, Jalen Reagor, Harrison Bryant, Eno Benjamin, and Cole McDonald.
Matt Judon, T.Y. Hilton, Quinnen Williams, Joe Hayden, Mohamed Sanu, John Ross III, Zach Martin, Jerry Tillery, Kerryon Johnson, Michael Gallup, Matthew Stafford, Tajay Sharp, Chris Carson, Curtis Samuel, K'Wan Alexander, Julio Jones, Deebo Samuel, Adam Thielen, Andy Isabella, Earl Thomas III, red, Jordan Atkins, red, Rico Dwaddle, rookie, red, game face, Chris Godwin, Tom Brady in the zone, Panthers team card, in the zone Christian McCaffrey, Patrick Mahomes deep dive, Harrison Smith, next level, in the zone Patrick Mahomes, 3D Seahawks team card, in the zone Nick Chubb, deep dive Deshaun Watson, Dalvin Cook next level, red Vikings 3D team card, rookies, Denzel Mims, Salvan Ahmad, Steven Montez, John Hightower, Javon Kinlaw, and Colby Parkinson.
What is this, pack 4 or 6? Tom Brady, Ryan Finley, Ed Oliver, something Vernon, Oliver Vernon, Alan Hearns, Will Fuller, Jason McCourty, Evan Ingram, Derek Wolfe, Jalen Smith, Tyreek Hill, Dak Prescott, Allen Robinson, Dalvin Cook, Cooper Kupp, Jamal Williams, Larry Fitzgerald, Trey Flowers, Drew Brees, Jason Pierre-Paul red, Darnell Savage red, and Joshua Kelly red. Josh Jacobs, deep dive, Darren Waller, next level stats, Packers team card, in the zone Nick Bosa, Patriots huddle up, Cameron Hayward, next level stats, game face Kyler Murray, in the zone Aaron Donald, Saints huddle up, next level stats, Shaquille Barrett, Vikings
3D. Next level stats, Shaquille Barrett, red parallel. AJ Terrell, rookie. Kenneth Murray, rookie. Kalija Lipscomb. Mitchell Wilcox, rookie. Joe Burrow, rookie. And CJ Henderson.
Okay, Burrow's hitting. We got
our third, Joe Burrow.
It's time to see some Tua time or some Herbert. All right. N'Keal Harry, Carlos Dunlap, Cole Beasley, Nick Chubb, Tyler Eifert, AJ Green, Tariq Cohen, AJ Brown, Landon Collins, Jarrell Casey, Malcolm Jenkins, Cortland Sutton, Gerald Everett, Marquez Valdez-Scantling, Michael Brockers, Trey Boston, Buda Baker, Keanu Neal, Levante David, Marcus May, red, Jamal Adams, red, Salvan Ahmad, rookie, red, 49ers team card, 3D, Josh Jacobs in the zone, J.J. Watt game face, Chris Godwin next level, Christian McCaffrey deep dive, Michael Thomas next level, Michael Thomas in the zone, Bears huddle up, next level Travis Kelce, Bears 3D team card, in the zone Josh Allen, red 3D Seahawks team card rookies, Zach Bond, Isaiah Simmons, Jerry Jeudy, Jake Breland, Cam Akers, and Jake Fromm.
Kyle Van Noy, Jacoby Brissett, Marcus May, Jamal Adams, Terrell Edmonds, Sony Michel, Jarvis Landry, Royce Freeman, Jason Peters, Von Miller, Daniel Jones, Sammy Watkins, Leighton Vander Esch, George Kittle, Xavier Rhodes, Robert Woods, Zadarius Smith, Christian Kirk, Matt Prater, Jacob Holster, Alvin Kamara, Sean Bradley, Chiefs huddle up, next level stats, Dak Prescott, game face Gardner Minshew, in the zone Drew Brees, Titans 3D, in the zone DeAndre Hopkins, game face Jimmy Garoppolo, in the zone Lamar Jackson, Chargers 3D, in the zone Saquon Barkley, DJ Chark deep dive, next level stats Buda Baker, red parallel, rookies are Denzel Mims, Sullivan Ahmad, Stephen Montez, Javon Kinlaw, John Hightower, and Colby Parkinson.
All right, last two packs. Terrell Edmonds, Sony Michel, Jarvis Landry, Jordan Poyer, Denzel Ward, Mike Gesicki, Darren Waller, Royce Freeman, Jason Peters, Von Miller, Daniel Jones, Sammy Watkins, DJ Moore, George Kittle, Xavier Rhodes, Robert Woods, Zadarius Smith, Christian Kirk, Matt Prater, DeAndre Hopkins, red, Dede Westbrook, red, Cam Akers, red, rookie, Patrick Mahomes, game face, Mark Andrews, next level, Keenan Allen, deep dive, Buda Baker, next level, Rams 3D team card, Ezekiel Elliott in the zone, Cardinals 3D team card, Aaron Rodgers in the zone, Seahawks huddle up, next level, Kenny Galladay, game face, Deshaun Watson, Aaron Donald in the zone, red, rookies, Tommy Stevens, Justin Jefferson, nice, Jordan Elliott, Cole Kmet, Darius Anderson, and Bryce Perkins.
Justin Jefferson.
He looks weird without a Vikings if you play.
All right, last pack.
Get a Herbert. 10 packs and you don't get a Herbert?
Or Tua.
I know. But 3 Burrows. James White, Odell Beckham Jr., Dawson Knox, Greedy Williams, Josh Rosen, Deshaun Watson, Travis Kelce, Saquon Barkley, Tyrann Matthews, Xavier Woods, Austin Eckler, DeMarcus Lawrence, Darren Waller, Aaron Jones, Ronald Jones, Jadavon I don't know how to say his name, Clowney, Ted Ginn Jr., DK Metcalf, DJ Moore, Leonard Williams, Red Parallel, Ryan Tannehill, Red Parallel, AJ Terrell, Red Parallel, Game Face, JJ Watt, Next Level Stats, Chris Godwin, Deep Dive, Christian McCaffrey, Next Level Stats, Michael Thomas, Patriots 3D, In the Zone, Cooper Kupp, Minka Fitzpatrick, Next Level Stats, Bills 3D, In the Zone, Khalil Mack, Packers Huddle Up, Bobby Wagner, Next Level Stats, Deep Dive, Keenan Allen, Red Parallel. Our rookies are Sean Bradley, Kenneth Murray, Lipscomb, Mitchell Wilcox, Joe Burrow, and CJ Henderson.
Joe Burrow. Whoever got the Bengals did well. Well, that was the last pack. Here's some of the hits of the rookies. 4 Burrows. One's a red parallel. We got a red Cam Akers, a CeeDee Lamb rookie, Jerry Jeudy rookie, and Justin Jefferson rookie, and then lots of inserts on Mahomes and other big name players. So we'll also be posting this video if you want to go back and watch it on our YouTube channel. Sorry about the quality. We're trying to get that better. Hope everybody enjoyed the break. Leave a comment. Tell us who you think's going to win the Super Bowl. Thank you. Good night.